Hi guys, I'm Gia. Welcome back to my class. The last video we learned the expression 越 blah blah 越 when you need to express change varies with the situation. For example, 越多越好 more is better. Do you know how to use it now? If not, you can review my previous video, okay? So today we will learn something new. In our daily life, sometimes we need to express a goal or a result can be obtained or not. So today we learn how to express it in Mandarin, okay? Look at this image. One day, I prepared a pot of soup for myself. A neighbor saw it and asked me, 这么多，你喝得完吗？这么多，你喝得完吗？ So much, can you finish it? In Mandarin, taking soup, we say 喝汤 use the verb 喝 drink, okay? And I answered my neighbor, 我喝不完 I can't finish it, okay? And then I asked my neighbor to share the soup. I offered one bowl of the soup. I asked her, 这一碗你喝得完吗？这一碗你喝得完吗？ This one bowl of soup, can you finish it? She answered, 我喝得完 I can finish it. Okay? Let's see another example. In this image, there are many kinds of seafood, shells, shrimps, oysters, etc. It looks very tasty. The waiter asked me, 这一大份你吃得完吗？这一大份你吃得完吗？ This big portion, can you finish it? I answered, 我吃不完。我吃不完 I cannot finish it. And then the waiter turned to another small person and asked me, 这一小份你吃得完吗？这一小份你吃得完吗？ I answered, 我吃得完。我吃得完。Let's see another example. Let's continue. The lady is trying to pack all stuffs to the luggage. Finally, the result is 这么多东西，箱子装不下。这么多东西，箱子装不下。Then she tried to take out some stuffs. Now it can pack. In this way, we say 装得下。装得下。The first sentence we can say 这些箱子装得下。这些箱子装得下。 Now let's make a summary. Today we learned how to express two possibilities of a result, okay? V 的不 plus complements of possibility. So, how to express affirmative situation. V 的 plus complements, okay? For example, 吃得完，喝得完，装得下。Okay, the second structure is negative. V 不 plus complements. 吃不完，喝不完，装不下。The third one is interrogative structure. There are two structures, okay, possibilities. No, there are two forms, two patterns to ask the question. The first one is V 的 plus complement plus ma. Another pattern is V 的 plus complements plus V 不 plus complement, okay? For example, 吃得完吗？吃得完，吃不完。喝得完吗？喝得完，喝不完。装得下吗？装得下，装不下。Regarding to the complements or possibilities, it can be adjective or words besides the ones we just learned. 完下见清楚懂 also can be used in these structures. Now let's do some exercises, okay? In this case, we use the verb 看 and complements 见清楚. So the upper one we can say 看不见看不清楚看不见看不清楚看不见看不清楚. The bottom one we can say 看得见看得清楚. Now let's look at these two images. We use the verb 听 and complement 懂 how to express these two images. The upper one we can say 他上课听不懂他上课听不懂他上课听不懂. The bottom one we can say 他听得懂他听得懂他听得懂. Hi guys, 你们会了吗? You can watch this video repeatedly to deepen your understanding. For beginners, really suggestible to master these practical sentence structures and then make your own sentences in real scenes. By this way, you can speak authentic Chinese, okay? So, please write your sentence in the comments. Any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. 再见.